Oh, that's a problem.
Yes, ma'am.
Don't worry.
Thank you, ma'am.
You can take my car.
Really?
Yes, of course.
Thank you so much.
For how many hours did you say?
For 3 to 4 hours?
That is fine.
Thank you.
Here are the keys.
Thank you very much, ma'am.
You are most welcome.
I will drive carefully.
Please drive safely.
Yes, he's in grade 5.
Does he like English?
He feels scared of English.
That is common for children.
Yes, I want to help him.
You are a good father.
Thank you.
I try my best.
Yes, I will meet her.
Will you meet the English teacher?
Thank you.
I hope the meeting goes well.
Before evening, around 4 p.m.?
Okay, no problem.